Our hair is the crowning glory of our looks, both literally and figuratively. Long, gorgeous, and healthy tresses are every girl's dream, but most of us end up hating our dull and lifeless hair. Owing to our hectic, modern lifestyle, which includes everyday stress and pollution, long hair can be difficult to achieve. Today's video will discuss 5 top tips for long hair. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Maintaining long and lustrous hair is not a one-day task. It requires a proper and dedicated hair care regimen that is easy to follow. If you're dreaming of long locks like Rapunzel's, here are a few tips you must follow. 1. Get to know your hair. It is extremely crucial for you to understand the cycle of your hair. There are 3 stages to your hair cycle: anagen, catagen, and telogen. Anagen, when a new strand is formed in the follicle. Catagen, when the lower 2 herds of the hair is destroyed. Telogen, when the hair enters the resting phase waiting to be pushed out by the fresh strand growing in the follicle. The last phase, telogen, is when the hair falls out. Around 10 to 15% of our hair is in its last phase. But due to various factors, sometimes a majority tends to jump to the telogen phase. This is when we face hair loss problems and hair thinning too. 2. Get to the root. If you experience a lot of hair thinning and hair fall, consult a specialist immediately. Let the doctor get to the root and solve the problem. There can be various causes behind your problem. Taking professional help will help you identify your exact problem and control it at the earliest. 3. Oil your hair at least twice a week. Proper nutrition is as essential for your hair as it is for any other part of your body. Oiling the roots provides nutrition and strength to help your hair grow long and strong. It also helps rejuvenate dead hair shafts. After applying hot oil on the scalp, gently massage the scalp with your fingertips. 4. Use conditioner every time you shampoo. Conditioning is a key factor in maintaining good hair. It locks the moisture in the shaft, prevents dryness, and provides protection from dirt and pollution, and to a certain extent, from the sun as well. It also helps replace the lipids and proteins inside the hair shaft and seals the cuticles to prevent further damage. Replace your branded shampoo and conditioner with homemade shampoo and conditioner. Here is a quick recipe for starters. Homemade shampoo. You will know exactly what you are using on your hair and in what quantity. It is pocket friendly. To make this shampoo, you would need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 cup of water. Container. Process. Mix both ingredients in equal measure into the container. Keep repeating the process till the container is full. To use: 1. Squirt the liquid gently onto the scalp and hair. 2. Massage the scalp well to remove all dirt for a minute or 2. 3. Follow it up with a thorough rinse. Homemade conditioner. This conditioner is unconventional and simple. You might not get a creamy texture like the ones available in the markets, but try it for just one reason: its effectiveness. To make this conditioner, you would need 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 cup water. Container. Process. Mix equal amounts of both ingredients into the container. Keep doubling the amount till the container is full. Use a squirt bottle for ease in both storage and usage. To use: 1. Squirt a little conditioner onto your palms. 2. Using your hands, massage it well onto your hair. 3. Make sure you apply it only from midway to the bottom of your hair. Do not apply it on your scalp. 4. Now keep massaging it well for a minute or 2. 5. Follow it up with a thorough rinse. 5. Try herbal remedies and treatment for your hair. Herbal remedies and treatments are very effective in promoting hair growth. We spend a lot on costly products that may or may not give the desired results. You can use ingredients like egg, honey, aloe vera, coconut milk, amla juice, vinegar, etc. for hair care. These ingredients keep your hair healthy, strong, and chemical-free. You can make your own hair rinses at home and apply them regularly. Which method do you like best to make your hair longer? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.